I'm Sharon from The Guilty Woman, and The Guilty Woman is an online retailer specializing in women's accessories. And today I'm here to talk about the difference between real leather and eco-friendly leather. Eco-friendly leather is often made from a man-made rubber called neoprene, and real leather is made from animals like cattle, sheep, and even goat. One of the easiest ways to tell real leather is to simply smell it, if you have the possibility to do so. Real leather has a very distinctive smell that's very hard to mistake. Unlike eco-friendly leather that smells more synthetic. Real leather can be coarse or smooth and has more of a matte finish. Unlike eco-friendly leather, that's going to be more rigid and has a glossier finish. You're going to want to make sure you check the surface for pores, and imperfections is actually really important when it comes to real leather. It's actually a good thing. Unlike eco-friendly leather that doesn't have any wrinkles or patterns, so it needs to be stamped to get what real leather has naturally. It's important to note, just like real leather, eco-friendly leather depends on the brand and the style, how good the quality is going to be. A bag like this, when well taken care of, it can last you about 4 to 5 years. And just like its eco-friendly counterpart, real leather comes in a variety of styles and colors and textures. For example, this is often just called the pebble leather because of its pebble-shaped texture. It's often more visually appealing and it's scratch resistant. And if you wanted something a little more sophisticated, you can choose something like this, which is pony hair and calfskin leather. It takes a little more maintenance. You would have to brush it and condition it, but it's just very beautiful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like our page to stay updated on our newest videos.